Hi, this is Chris, back today with HUD Consultant Gerald Stewart. So a common question, Gerald, that I get asked after you leave the appointment, the clients will call me and say, is Gerald going to be able to tell us our valuation of the property? Is he do the appraisal as well since he's doing the write-up? Are you the appraiser and will you tell them the property value? That's the question.
Absolutely not. I get the same question a lot of times while out doing the actual inspection. They'll ask me, our construction budget's 150 and we're purchasing the home for 200, will this appraise at 350? And my answer is no, I'm not the appraiser. That's a question that will be answered once this report has been completed and the appraiser can look at the improvements that will help him better determine the appraised value.
No, I think that's great. And one thing I want to say is that up front, I know what your budget's going to be, and typically I will talk to your agent before you meet with the consultant and pay his fee to make sure that if you buy the house and do the work and we tell the agent the kind of work you're going to do, will it appraise out? Because the realtor has access to the NMLS, which shows them comparable sales of homes in an improved state. So when the appraisal is done, it's based on all improvements, not the purchase price. So your HUD consultant is not your appraiser, but we do take extra steps to try to make sure that the home will appraise out by talking to your real estate agent. So I'm here for all your needs. While I do renovation lending, I also can do move-in ready. So if you're unsure if you want to buy a home that's move-in ready or you might buy a fixer-upper, I can handle both for you. So please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips.